You may have seen previously I made a microbit thermal printer project which printed random poetry or random sort of short story starters on a thermal printer. I'm having a go now at doing some interactive fiction. Don't know if this is going to work at all, but the idea is it's going to be like a choose your own adventure, and it's going to give you some options. Press button A or button B, and different things can happen in the story. So I'm just going to reset my microbit and see. Oh, here we go. Tomorrow Never Knows. Up here in the attic, you can only hear the alarm clock ticking softly and the distant sound of a train chugging along the main line. Even though it's almost August, you're frozen. So you put your moth-eaten cardigan on. It's been raining all day and you're bored. Let's have a look. I need to scroll up a bit. It says press button A to turn on the wireless, B to look out the window. I think I'm going to look out the window, so I'm going to press button B. Oh, here we go. You see the express train's smoke rising from behind the trees heading north up the coast. A strip of sky, I wrote too much here, has appeared just above the horizon in time for you to see the setting sun. The bright orange light dazzles you. It's painful. It's been damp. It's been so damp and dark today you want to drink it in forever. Your dad says the sunsets make him feel sad. You think he's crazy. There are some strange formatting issues there. The castle looks beautiful in silhouette. This must be a sign you don't have many friends. In fact, you don't have any friends your own age. People think you're odd, never having known your mother. Your dad being a big cheese in town. At least you have books to read. So many books. And then it says, oh my goodness me, MicroPython version 1.9.2. Not sure that's part of the story. So there we go. It does kind of work, doesn't it? So there we go. There's the beginning, at least, of a kind of interactive choose your own adventure story written in MicroPython. I don't know how much of a story I can fit on the microbit, but I'm going to keep going and find out.